senior KG. Today we are performing dance on theme Save Nature. Nature is our best friend. It gives us air, water and food. Protect trees, save water, stop pollution. Green earth, clean earth, peaceful earth. Thank you.
Pollutants damage the quality of air, water, and land. Pollution is a global issue and cannot stop but one person. We all are responsible for this. So, without waiting someone else to say what you can do, think yourself. What can I do to save Mother Earth? Make this beautiful environment like it was before.
In every heart a dream is born, a world of love where none forlorn. Different voices, one refrain. Together we can break the chain. No walls between us, just open skies. Hand in hand, let hope arise. Together we shine like the stars above, spreading the light of peace and love. Voices united, hearts inclined. Together we shine, together in time.
We need to wake up, we need to wise up, we need to open our eyes and do it now, now, now. We need to build a better future, and we need to start right now. We're on a planet that has a problem. We've gotta solve it, get involved and do it now, now, now. We need to build